guys, good morning and welcome back to my channel. And this video is about how to cash out your Gcash coin here in RRO. Okay, as of now I have let's check 210 Gcash coin. Makikita nyo dyan kung how much na yung naipon nyo. Ayan guys, ganito guys kung paano tayo magka-cash out dito sa RRO. Paano nga ba tayo magka-cash out? Okay guys, pupunta kayo dito sa right side. Andito si Gcash representative. Makikita nyo dyan. Ayan siya. And then, claim nyo dyan. Okay. And then, input your 11-digit Gcash number. Ayan guys, makikita nyo dyan yan. Itatype nyo lang. Okay. Example is ayan. Ayan. And then after that, ayan, maglalagay na kayo. Ayan, makikita nyo dyan yung breakdown. Then 210, your Gcash number. Ayan, and then, do you want to proceed? Okay, yes. Okay, you're surrendered all your Gcash. Ayan, the coins now. Please wait for the administrator to process it. Ayan guys, okay na yan. Once na ganyan na okay na yan, hihintayin nyo lang po. And then meron tayong transaction history. Ayan, makikita nyo po siya sa pending. Ayan, meron ka ng 1 pending transaction. Makikita nyo po dyan. Ayan, transaction number 4. So pang-apat na tayo sa nagka-cash out guys. Okay, ayan, may pangalan tayo. Andyan yung breakdown. Andyan po yung katunayan na nag-cash out kayo. Ayan, nandyan po yan. May SS nyo po for the proofs. Ayan, go back to ayan guys. And then, ayan, makikita nyo dyan yung information. Okay guys, ganun lang po tayo magka-cash out. Ayan, claim kung pupunta dyan, kung na-claim na. Ayan guys, yan lang po ang ating kung paano mag-cash out dito sa ating RRO server. Yun lang guys, peace out.